Welcome aboard Positano, a beautiful 2005 Cruiser's Yacht 320 Express, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Cruiser's Yacht 320 Express is a stylish and versatile cruiser that offers a combination of performance, comfort, and style for both day cruising and overnight stays. It is a mid-size express cruiser with a solid reputation, and it's designed for those who want both luxury and the ability to handle various water sports or longer trips. The 320 Express boasts a sleek, modern design with clean lines and an attractive profile. It features a spacious cockpit and ample seating, making it ideal for entertaining guests. The boat has a deep V hull design, providing good stability and performance in various conditions. It is capable of handling rough water well and offering a comfortable, smooth ride. This hull design offers predictable handling and is easy to maneuver at low speeds, which is a plus for docking and close quarter handling. And with good stability and with twin engines, it can be more agile when navigating around obstacles or tight spaces. Cruiser's Yachts has a reputation for solid construction and attention to detail. The 320 Express reflects this with durable materials and well-built structure. Stepping aboard is effortless onto the spacious swim platform, where there is plenty of room for relaxing. Access from the water is simple and safe with a stainless steel swim ladder. In the cockpit, the full beam layout of the 320 allows for the best use of space and provides ample seating, a wet bar, and spacious layout that can accommodate several guests. With a full enclosure, the cockpit is a well-protected space that will keep you comfortable. To port is a wet bar with adequate counter space and a sink, providing a space to prepare drinks and meals in the cockpit. Accessing the engine room is quick and effortless. Equipped with twin engines, it has great acceleration and cruising speed. Additionally, this 320 is equipped with a generator to provide all the comforts of home while out on the water. The helm is elevated, providing an unobstructed and excellent 360-degree view that is truly appreciated during maneuvering while underway and docking. At the helm, a wide, bolstered seat provides comfort and support. This vessel is equipped with a wide range of electronics at the helm, including 2 Raymarine chart plotters, engine controls, and bow thruster. Moving forward to the bow is easy using the convenient and safe center walkthrough. On the bow, you are greeted with a large sunbed that is safely and easily accessible by the walk-around bow, and makes this the perfect place to relax and enjoy the sunset. The ground tackle includes a Maxwell vertical windlass that is easily accessed under a deck hatch. Conveniently mounted at the bow is a remote-controlled spotlight. Heading below, the 320 Express showcases a well-thought-out layout with high-quality finishes. The cabin is designed for comfort with plush seating, a fully equipped galley, and a bright, open feel. A large U-shaped settee and beautiful table provide an excellent living and dining space. There's ample storage for a boat of this size, including lockers, compartments, drawers, and hanging lockers throughout the space and the boat. The very functional galley of the 320 Express is equipped with both wood and solid surface countertops and a stainless steel sink. There is a built-in microwave, refrigerator, and electric stove. Moving forward is the V-berth, which can be closed off by a privacy curtain and boasts a large bed that is easily accessible for maximum convenience. The aft of the cabin has a settee that converts into a berth, and curtains provide privacy. The sizable and very functional head is located to port just off the salon and features solid surface countertop, toilet, and shower along with plenty of lighting. The Cruisers Yacht 320 Express is well regarded for its blend of luxury, performance, and functionality, making it an excellent choice. To book your appointment to view the Cruisers Yacht 320 Express, contact Little Yacht Sales.